good morning, guys. I know it's been a while, again, as usual, but turbo just died on my car. And what I'm gonna do right now is I'm actually gonna pull it in and film a video because I'm swapping back to the stock turbo. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this turbo apart, which you guys will see on video later on today. But we'll see how this goes, and really hoping for the best here. I'm gonna make a massive parts order tonight after I pull it apart and see exactly what I need. Rebuild kit, all kinds of stuff. Like, well, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Regardless, hope you guys enjoy. If you're new here, I'm also kind of new here, I guess, because I haven't posted in like forever. So I don't know how to do this anymore, but let's try. We'll see how this goes. This might go up, this might not go up. Who knows? All right, so I'm sure as you heard in the last clip, those blades are done. They were smacking everywhere, all over the compressor housing. So once I pull this off, I'm gonna analyze and see if it snapped the shaft or what entirely happened. Obviously, it needs a turbo rebuild. It's plume and smoke anytime the car tries to see any kind of boost. So we're gonna see exactly what it needs. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. Okay, so after pulling a good amount of things off, this is the nut that goes on the turbo blade and the shaft itself. It was undone entirely inside of the intake whenever I pulled it off. So clearly that's not good. Pulled the manifold off, pulled the valve cover off just because it makes it easier for me to get the manifold. So now all I really need to do is pull off oil lines, downpipe, and coolant lines, and I should be able to get this puppy out. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to go back to the stock turbo for now, which is right over there. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. Oh, brother. All right. After pulling that off entirely, check that damage. This is insane. Look at this. Like, that is absolutely insane. Makes a lot of sense now, but yeah. Whew. Stupid hot outside right now, so it's sweating like crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and take a break while the heat's going hard, and probably gonna get to taking this apart tonight at my desk or something in my room. Then yeah, we'll see from there. But geez Louise, man, it's insane. So much shaft play. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get started on the teardown of this turbo. As you can see, lots of damage on the blades. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. I'll update you guys once it's off. I expect nothing but the worst, so we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, so I went ahead and I found the issue. As you can see, it's snapped off entirely, like clean off. So, because this shaft is supposed to all be one unit, and this is supposed to, you know, hold this blade in place. Obviously not, it snapped, but because this right here where this threads is supposed to be on here where it extends out. So now I understand that I need a new blade as well as a new shaft. I'm gonna get bearings too, because if you look onto the shaft, there's some scoring here from the actual bearings. I'm gonna open into this casing, the center housing. Nothing too crazy bad on the center housing, nothing bad at all. I'm just gonna go ahead and analyze the bearings in there and see how they're looking. But yeah, wow, it's quite crazy to me. But at least I'm glad that I was able to take it apart and find the issue before I just went in and ordered a bunch of random stuff. So sweet. All right, guys. So after analyzing that, I'm gonna go ahead and rebuild this turbo. I've decided all it really needs is a new shaft, a new compressor blade, as well as you know, the bearings for the new shaft. With that being said, I don't know how comfortable I'll be with running it for a long period of time on that car, so it might just be temporary. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on my stock turbo tomorrow morning, and then really just drive on the stock turbo for now until I get all the stuff for the rebuild kit here. Then I can go ahead and rebuild it and install it back into the car. So I'm throwing the stock turbo on, that way there's no rush and I don't feel rushed to do it. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop down a thumbs up or something. I'm gonna start uploading more, I swear. I know I always say that, but like I need to start uploading more. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. You guys are all beautiful human beings, and yeah,